intro today. I know you're just here for the tour, so real quick, if you're new here, I'm Hannah Ashton. I am a sophomore at Belmont University in Nashville, Tennessee, where I'm studying entrepreneurship, and today I'm going to be giving you a dorm tour of my upperclassman suite style dorm. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so here we're starting at the door of my room. I'm going to give you guys an overall look. When you look straight up, this is what you see. To the left, we have my kitchen. There's the door to my bathroom, my closet, a window, my desk, another window, and then my whole bed contraption, couch, living room, everything else over here. So I'm gonna start over here with my bed and all of this. In case you're wondering, all of the dark colored furniture, so the bed and the desk, the dresser, that is supplied by Belmont. This is an upperclassman dorm, so this is the furniture they gave us. Again, I lofted my bed all the way up. People ask me if that's annoying. How do I get up? I get up right here. It's not the best situation. I just use this as a ladder to climb up. And up there, I just have my blankets and a few pillows. I want to get some more throw pillows. The reason I have my bed lofted is because I don't like doing a lot of work in my bed. I really only sleep up there. So just going up once and down once in a day, it's fine for me. I do most of my work either at this couch, at my desk, or outside of my room. So I don't need to be in my bed a lot, and that's why I did that. And I believe lofting your bed just makes your room feel a lot bigger and you have all this extra space. So if you feel like you're not just gonna wanna do homework in your bed or be in your bed all day, I do recommend lofting it just because that's all I've done and I really enjoy it. Right here on this wall, I have this mirror from Dormify, and this is super nice because it's a nice mirror, hello, and also I hang my purses here and I have my keys and stuff that I can easily grab when I'm heading out the door. And then in this back corner, I have my hamper, which is also from Dormify, and the inside bag is from Container Store. And then we get over into my living room area. Of course, you probably noticed the fairy lights that are hanging from the top all the way down. I added this later on and I just love the aspect. It gives it such a cozy look. Those I just ordered off of Amazon. And then the string lights that are hanging, those are from Target. I keep my camera tripod there. Instead of going over where everything's from, I'm gonna try to put it on the screen so I don't have to say it from now on. So yes, here we have my couch and pillow, and then my rug from last year, and this year I got this new little green footrest, which I just think is so cute. You can see these two hanging things on either side. Last year I had those hanging from my bed. This year I put them here for extra storage. They're from PB Teen. Phenomenal, great way to get some extra storage in. And then I have this little side table, which is great because it's super convertible. I can move it sideways in front of my couch if I want to put books on it. It's big enough for my laptop, all of that. Okay, then we move over to my desk area. So the thing about the furniture in this building is that it is adjustable. If you watch my move-in vlog, you could see how we moved my desk along these pegs to get the height I want. You can put it on the inside. Same thing with these bookshelves I forgot to show. I just have things like my Bible, and so every morning when I do my devotions, I literally just sit here and grab my Bible from the bookshelf. This little cubby bookshelf holds my work items. Those are all removable and adjustable. So here is my desk. I do have a corner room, so that's why I have two windows, which I'm so thankful for. This chair is what was given in the room. It's this weird felt blue. So I just have this throw blanket I put over it to make it really comfy, but once you put a blanket over it, it is a nice big seat and it's very comfortable. Under here, I just keep my backpack usually. There's not much room. There's my slippers and my backpack. You may be wondering where I'm plugging all of these lights and everything in. And these aren't super cute, but very vital. Having a power strip is great. That's where I plug in my laptop and my lights. There's one other little shelf up here by my bed, which I actually have a wireless charger on and some chapsticks so that when I'm up on my bed, I just put my phone there and grab that. And there I just have a remote for my fan and some sleeping masks. And then here I have a little overhead light. If you are gonna loft your bed, you need a light somewhere where you can turn it off once you're in your bed. So what I do is I turn this on and then I climb up there, and when I'm ready to go to sleep, I just reach over and turn that clip-on lamp off. Okay, now let's go around. Maybe we're gonna get some better lighting. I have this little whiteboard that I just hung up on my wall there to use. I got this lamp from Target this year. This is one of my favorite corners of the dorm. I think it's a great way of using a corner and some space, and I also love how we utilize the wall and put wall art on it. So I have this map of Nashville here. The art prints I'm going to show you are from Society 6, so we have this very Nashville-esque art print. And then I hung up this little shelf from Dormify, and here I just have 2 essential oils because I have my essential oil diffuser on this cart. I actually just got this weekend, so this hasn't been here long, but I needed a little extra storage for like my books, which are on the bottom. I needed a place for all my school notebooks when I don't want them in my backpack, and I have some more room on here, so when I get pumpkin decorations or Christmas decorations, I can add to this. But yeah, I have my essential oil diffuser, some fresh flowers my mom bought me when she was here this weekend, and then we head over to my second window. This right here, if you guys recognize this from last year's dorm, is from Dormify, and it holds all my shoes. So right now I actually don't have that many shoes here. What I'm also using it for is workbook storage. So we have workbooks all over my room, and that is one of the places where I have my inventory. Just here to the left, you can see I have some shoes. I normally just walk into my room and take off my shoes, so those are in that little corner. And then over here is my dresser, which again is from Belmont, and in case you're wondering, that is also a drawer on top they gave. I didn't know what to do, so I put it up there. The clothing part is a separate section, and then the 3 drawers are another separate section. Oh, and I forgot to mention I have that little piece of art up there at the top, and I also have a huge fan up there at the top, which I turn on, like I said, and then it hits me up there while I sleep. I love having white noise of a fan and keeps me cool. So here's my closet. It is open, which I don't mind because I wear a lot of the same colors of clothes, as you can see, so I feel like it works well. Once I get my printer from home, I'm gonna put that back here. Again, just utilizing every bit of space. And then here I have a container with my camera stuff, some belts, and even like laundry detergent and just a few other things. Again, just maximizing space. If you saw my move-in vlog, you saw me organizing these drawers, so I'm not going to show them, but basically I have bras and underwear, workout clothes and pajamas, t-shirts, and sweatshirts and shorts. So those are the 3 drawers they gave me. Okay. Going to the side over here, I have a coat hanger, and on here I just put hats and my bags. We have this mirror. Hello, super casual today. I'll show you guys my bathroom at the end. And then we get over to my kitchen setup. So right on the side of my fridge, you may have noticed I have another one of these organizers from PB Teen. This holds silverware, plates, things like that. Microwave, fridge. I have a little magnetic board for my fridge. I just got it at Container Store. I think it's cute. My amazing Keurig, NutriBullet, this towel dish dryer thing, so that whenever I'm drying dishes, I just put them on top of here. These 3 cubes and organizers from Container Store. I keep my mugs. And then this is just like my little pantry, so we have just pantry items, granolas, pastas, olive oil, some books on either side there. Here I keep my Tupperware. I have a little diffuser there. This is an interesting item. It came with the room again. It's kind of like a stool, footrest. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just put it in this corner. We have more books there. And then my full-size trash can, which you guys know I swear by. And then you may recognize this from last year's dorm. It's amazing to use as a pantry for snacks, whatever you need. It saves so much space. I just hang up a shoe organizer with command strips, and I have lots of items in there. And then something new to my dorm is Mom and I did a little DIY project and created this bulletin board. So we bought a cork board. I got Opal House stick-on wallpaper from Target because a lot of items in my room, like my pillow and this cushion, are from Opal House, so I just kind of wanted to match that. But instead of doing a whole wall with the wallpaper, we just put the wallpaper onto the cork board, and then I pinned on some stickers and some more Society 6 prints. And once I get some photos printed of my family and stuff, I will pin those up there as well. So I'm really excited for that. It just fills this space so nicely. It kind of looks slanted. I can't tell if it's the way I'm holding the camera or what. And it adds a pop of color, brings in the blue even from like the ottoman and stuff, and I just think it looks so nice. I'm really happy with how our little DIY project turned out. Okay, now we're gonna go into the bathroom. Like I said, this is suite style, so my roommate is over there. I won't show her side as much, but I wanna show you guys what the bathroom looks like. We have a toilet behind here. It's kind of like a public restroom, like you just go in here. And we have toilet and trash can. Here's our shower curtain, which my roommate Amelia actually got, but I believe it is from Target, Opal House. We have a little trash can and then shower mats. I have a towel hanging there. I have my white robe on the back of there. And then this is my side. In case you're wondering, our shower mats on the floor are from Target Opal House as well. I love them. I love the coloring in this bathroom. It's warmer than my last bathroom, and the yellow in the bath mats I think just really shows that. So here's my side. I have a hand towel from Target. I have this organizer with perfume, makeup brushes, my everyday skincare items, a little dish washer guy, my sink, toothbrush, toothpaste, hand soap. Again, you saw me organizing these in my dorm move-in, but here's what they look like now. We have makeup and skincare, everyday things. This is a little more messier. It's just kind of all my random stuff, jewelry, makeup wipes. This one actually doesn't have anything in it. And then this bottom one is, you guessed it, more workbooks. And I also have more workbooks next to my fan up there. That's also where I'm storing them. And then here's a look into my cabinets. We have some organizers from Container Store, which allow me to have so much space. Not perfect in there, but everything from hair products to cleaning supplies is what's in there. And yeah, guys, that is my dorm room tour. It's quaint, it's cozy, and it's really starting to feel like home.